Alright, ready?
Ready.
Oops, sorry.
It's fine.
Alright, go. Whenever you're ready. Always look to the sides, okay?
Yeah.
Mag-ano ako sa'yo, i-hold ko yung legs ko sa'yo.
Alright. Wait, hold on.
Yeah. You're not yet used to it, so huwag ka muna magbabanking.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, good, it's helping. Oh, it's an old W123, I think. Or maybe a 101. I don't know. I'm bad. It's hard to remember, man. The chassis numbers. Are they called chassis numbers? Oh, it's an old Mazda. What do they call these?
Checkpoint or is it something different?
Okay lang yan. Kapag tinigil tayo, okay lang. Good. Okay. Kapag tinigil tayo, huwag ka matataranta. Tumigil ka lang, ha?
Yeah.
Saan tayo? Kanan? Kaliwa?
Kaliwa.
Alright, dahan-dahan. Good job. Yung effect nung bigat, para siyang kapag nag-switch ka from 150cc to 400, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Mas may delay yung yung steering. Did you Yeah, you're
Fine.
yeah, yung sa kapag ganon, wag mo i-fully hold in yung clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya nahirapan ka mag-balance kasi naka yung clutch mo. Kailangan ipapaslip-slip mo siya, okay?
Okay.
Mas stable yung yung motor kapag meron siyang onting torque sa rear wheel. Kahit onting-onti lang. Okay, wanna borrow my gloves?
Huh?
You wanna borrow my gloves?
So hard.
Yeah. You wanna borrow my gloves?
Alright, sure.
Sige, tigil tayo whenever you want. Hindi na bababa, i-side stand mo na lang.
Wait.
Kapag ganito, AJ, mas kailangan mo i-practice yung
Slow speed.
no, yung slow speed technically. But yung pag-slip ng clutch, kailangan mo i-practice yung paggamit ng clutch.
What is this, Aurora? Ako na yung Cubao.
We're gonna go through Cubao?
Yeah.
Bro, I said that para babalik lang tayo dun sa dati tandaan.
Wait, I don't know. It says Aurora. That's Cubao, no?
I don't know, man.
Then where is it? Oh, fucking. Sorry.
Nadaan tayo ng ng AJ, hindi ka naka-hazard.
Oh, shit.
Nadaan tayo ng ng EDSA.
I don't think this is EDSA. Wait. Ikaw. No, Aurora Marcos Highway.
Okay, then it's like Cubao Marcos Highway.
Obviously.
Put it in. Unahin mo muna yung malaki sa baba, okay?
Ano malaki? This
The large Velcro.
probably one more thing.
I'm pretty sure my wrists are thinner, my guy. Are you comfortable with it?
This just feels weird.
You have larger hands. It should fit you perfectly. The wrist part not gonna fit. It's not fitting for me too. Kaya tinan mo, sinuko ko na siya para lang maano siya. Otherwise, it's not gonna fit my wrists.
This feels weird. Everything feels weird.
Well, yeah, they're meant to, cushion the fall if you
Traffic.
explode in the middle of the track. So,
Good cat.
all right. Ang hirap itayo no? Kapag itatayo mo yung motor, always make sure na yung knees mo onting bend, ha?
Yeah.
Baka mamaya bumaliktad yung gulo ng tuhod mo. Lalo na't ka. You're still a bit weak.
I almost fall there.
Yeah. Yeah, so you'll learn more about the clutch this way.
Oh, for
Sige, hold lang tayo. Wag ka mag-overtake. Wag kang singit. Kasi singit pa nga lang ng regular, hindi mo na kayo eh. So, yeah.
oh,
I'm gonna pause the video for now.
yeah.
Nice. Malubak dito, so dahanan. Bouncy castle. Oh wait, dito pa pala. Bouncy castle. Wow. Kapag nalulubak ka, wag kang huwag kang magsa-slow down ng biglaan or magbe-brakes, ha? Kapag nalulubak ka, just keep going through. Kasi otherwise, mangyayari doon, tataas yung likod mo. Yeah, you can keep going through, by the way. Nice one. Naka-signal left ka na, good. Yeah, yeah.
You know when like your lane splitting, right?
Your what?
Your lane splitting, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So advisable na naka-ano ka sa front brake or rear brake.
Depends. You can, diba, you can use the front brake nang hindi matutumba yung motor kung smooth enough yung inputs mo.
Yeah, yun. Pero kasi isa sa mga metal block mo yung front brake.
Oo.
Pagka, kunwari, you're turning right, diba? So yung leg mo, nakalalay to your brake.
Yep.
And like, if you tip over during those low speed turns,
Yeah. Alright.
if you tip over in those low speed turns,
Aha.
like, wala yung malalay na up.
Yeah.
Like, kunwari, mapunta sa right side.
Ah.
Your next side. You're nakalalay up.
Brake. Good.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah. Ano ulit yan, AJ? Ulitin mo.
Diba? Your left brake.
Alright.
You go right, yung right leg mo nakalalay to your brake.
Uh-huh.
And if you go off balance, then it's hard to catch the bike kasi yung haba ng dito. No?
You can easily put it down.
Ah.
Yeah. Or, just don't fall.
I mean, I'm not that good at my come on now.
Yeah, you will. A little bit more practice. I mean, to be fair, when you're riding a motorcycle, you're not supposed to put your foot down when you're about to fall. You're supposed to accelerate. But yeah, that gets a little bit hard when you're what do you call this? When you're lane splitting, right? But yeah, that's why you have to plan out like many steps ahead. That's why you have to plan out many steps ahead before you go through with like splitting. You have to make it so that you don't need to put your foot down as much as possible. Nung nag-accelerate ka kanina, nung para maka-get through ka dun sa dalawang ko, sa jeep at saka sa kotse, I got shot to the like, good job. You think you can go through? Up. Stop before the yellow. Oh, you panicked. Yeah, pwede kang umatras. You panicked a bit on the brakes.
God damn it. Didn't the hang of it though.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Pwede pala kumaliwa mula dito.
Yeah. You can't go straight though.
Yeah.
Look at the color on that Civic. God damn.
I sure do hope I don't stall.
Burn the clutch. Always remember. When we finally get the green light here, okay? Don't just gun the throttle.
I know. But hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, yeah.
Yeah, of course. It's gonna be a downhill, so we're gonna be fast.
I don't think I'll be fast.
No, you're not gonna be fast. You're gonna be forced to be fast. Especially look at how many people are waiting behind us, man. They're gonna keep on honking at you. Also, if we're gonna be going next, it's gonna be like, go. Go faster than them. Good job. Para mas madalian ka. So now, there's less people. You're fighting against nobody. Good. Hell yeah. Slow down ka dun kasi baka mamaya mag-serve yung ano. Yeah, those cars. Alright, keep going straight. Good job. Signal mo siya. Ingat sa mapapasok sa kanan. Like that. Good job, Boo. Don't go too much to the right. Magsasakayan yan. Yeah. Yeah. You went too down. You went down too much. Go to the left. Sisikip dito and slow down. Don't follow, just go. Good. Ingat sa mga galing dun sa kaliwa. Marami mga magta-turn dyan, kakainin yung buong lane, ha? Okay, signal right. Good job. Ingat dito sa truck kasi meron naka-park dun na ano. Alright, sumunod ka lang din sa Avanza para hindi ka sisingit dun sa gilid. Shee, look at that yellow Civic. That's hot. Good job. Good job. Nice one. Ingat biglang titigil to. Yep, like that. Oh man. Brakes. Downshift. Bro, really on the phone? Cyclist going towards his demise, just casually checking his phone.